I thought it'd be a good opportunity to take this arm off and give that a bit of a hammerite. It's got a bit of rust up here and there, and starting to notice a bit on the door here, so I'm going to have to make sure I've treated that before I put it all back together. So penetrating spray in these bits, and we'll take it off. So I've given it a bit of time now for the penetrating spray to get in and make our lives a bit easier. Just going to crack it off with a T40 now. Well, I'd say it's a good job I took that off. It's quite a rusty little section in there. Gonna probably have to get in and steel wire brush some of that out of the way. Treat it a bit. It's a bit dodgy like. That's most of the flaky rust taken off. Just about good for a coat of hammer right now. I think what I'm going to do here is paint this with a Hammerite primer and then spray it with a Hammerite stone chip shield, which I'll be using later on in the sills as well. Might even just give this whole area a cover with the stone chip, seeing as it does get a bit of spray from underneath. This primer's dried now, and there was quite a bit of rust in there, so that's treated. I'm going to give this a bit of a clean, tape off the top and just spray that with the stone chip. Over the last couple of nights as well, I've had this drying, the lower arm that we removed from the door here. It's covered in hammerite now and looking a lot better. I should keep that rust free for some time yet. Okay, that's the surface prepared, cleaned and taped off. I've given it a little spray down here. It appears that it is much like spray paint. It comes out like a fine dust. I'll just be spraying it onto this in a forward-backwards motion, get an even coverage, and we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. We're ready for the second coat. It's touch dry, it looks really good. Nice kind of satin or matte finish. Given that it's in an exposed location though, I'm definitely going to apply another coat. A small piece of advice, never buy these $1.99 for a pack of 5 Centurion dust masks. You pretty much need 5 for any job because 4 of them will fall apart. Absolutely useless. So the stone chip has turned out quite nice. Nice clear edge with the tape there. None of it popping through on the outside. That's the the painted Hammerite arm that I did, and the check strap as well in there. And I guess you can only just see from here, but this is a great finish on the stone chip. I can't see that rusting anytime soon.